everyone and welcome back to Pabbly. Do you have an AI-powered marketing agency? Then this video is just for you because in this video I will teach you how you can create a WhatsApp AI assistant. That means connect your AI now with WhatsApp so that whenever by any of the clients you receive queries on WhatsApp, automatically this AI-powered WhatsApp agent is going to resolve all the questions. Let me show you how. I have already created this AI-powered WhatsApp assistant. This is my AI-powered WhatsApp assistant. I will ask my first question right here, that is, how does Leadflow AI Marketing Agency, that's the name of my business, ensure continuous lead engagement while its internal team operates only during standard business hours? So this is my first question I want to ask towards this bot. You will see how this bot is going to understand the query, understand what my business is, and it is going to combine that and create an answer that will resolve this question of mine. It will take few seconds for the AI to respond back to me, and I have received this reply where I have received point by point of how this business ensures all the lead engagement. Now I have my next question, that is, if a business is struggling with low quality leads, how does Leadflow system improve lead quality before passing them to the sales team? Okay, so this is my next question I'm asking towards this bot. I will wait for the reply right now, and I've received this reply. Leadflow improves lead quality before handling prospects to the sales teams by automating structured qualifications and nurturing process that separates serious buyers to low value and unready leads. You can see over here this bot has given the elements that this business look forward to. You can see a very detailed reply is right here. So this is how this amazing WhatsApp AI powered assistant is going to automatically resolve the queries in your business 24/7. Now without wasting time, let's create this amazing AI assistant using Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is a software, a tool that will help you to automate and make full use of WhatsApp for your business. That means make WhatsApp efficient for your business. Now, in order to access Pabbly Chatflow, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow, and Pabbly Chatflow's landing page is going to appear in front of you. Now, if you're a new user, you're logging in for the first time inside Pabbly Chatflow, simply sign up for free from here, with the help of which you will get 100 free credits every month so that you can test out the features of Pabbly Chatflow right away. That means create this AI assistant right away for free. Now, one more thing, if you want to purchase our earlier lifetime deals, then you can use the code given on the left side of the screen right here, with the help of which you will get instant discounts on the purchase. So go ahead, use the code, buy our plan, automate your WhatsApp. Okay, so now log in. Then you will come to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow like this. If you want to learn how you can add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow, your WhatsApp business number, and learn about the features of Pabbly Chatflow one by one, you can check out all the video links I've added in the description section below. Now, in order to create an AI assistant from the panel, go towards this AI assistant section and click on this Add AI Assistant button. For the name of this assistant, I will give over here as AI Powered Marketing Agency. This is the name of my assistant. Then I'm going to add this assistant from here. As soon as you will do that, you will come to this interface of creating the assistant. There are 4 sections that you need to complete. First section is AI instructions. First, we have to select the instruction type, for which I will select it as AI agent. You can select another type according to your requirement as well. According to the type, all the roles and responsibilities of this instruction type is going to be mentioned right here. If you want, you can eliminate or add in the points according to your business requirements. Temperature is next. Temperature is a range from 0 to 1. 0 being very focused replies, 1 being creative replies. You have to enter the range that you want over here. So I will select it as 0.5 because I want both creative and focused replies from this AI assistant towards my users. AI to use, there is only one AI currently, that is OpenAI. So I will select over here as OpenAI as AI to use. Model, I will select the model as GPT-5 mini right over here. Now using this model, I want this AI to generate the replies. You can select the model according to your requirements. Remember one thing, you should have a paid account with OpenAI in order to create this AI assistant using Pabbly Chatflow. Next is API key. This API key right over here, you will receive this API key from your OpenAI account. For that, directly go towards this hyperlink and you will come to the API keys page of your OpenAI account. After coming to this page, create the key from here. You can name the key according to your requirement and then simply select the project, give all the permissions, create the key from here. After creating the key, copy it from here, paste it right here, click on this connect button. That is how you add the API. You connect your OpenAI account to Pabbly Chatflow. Now after After that, it is asking for assistant settings. If you want header footer messages, you can toggle the button on and add in the header footer messages. Next, stop keywords. If you want to give the option of stop keywords towards your users, you can enter the stop keywords right over here by toggling this button on simply. If you want to add in the retry attempt, you can do that as well. You can add it. Next is fallback message, which will be only forwarded if this API key is not responding. There is an error with your OpenAI account, then this fallback message is going to be forwarded. If you want, you can edit that as well. Okay. Now, first section of AI instructions is completed. Next is knowledge source. Knowledge source is a document with the help of which you train your AI assistant. So I have created this knowledge source for my agency. You can see my agency name is Leadflow AI Marketing Agency. This is a detailed document where I've explained what my business is about, what are the policies and everything, what is the pricing and everything. Now, I have created this very small knowledge base just to show you that how you can create your own knowledge base as well. Now what is going to happen that using this knowledge base, this AI is going to understand my business and then accordingly it will generate reply to all the queries of my clients. Okay, so create that knowledge base. There are two types of file accepted, TXT and PDF. If PDF has text, only unlimited pages, but if the PDF file has images, then what is going to happen, only 10 pages in a file should be there. Okay, I will upload this PDF file of my business knowledge base right over here, and as soon as I will do that, automatically you will see that knowledge base is going to be added in this knowledge sources section. You will see the vector ID, that means the knowledge base has been added. After knowledge source, next is assistant interface. The section assistant interface and styling is for those people who is adding this AI assistant on their website, just like this. You can edit the text, everything like the text. If you want to add in the brand name, my brand is in the name of Leadflow AI Marketing Agency, so I can simply copy it and paste it right over here. With that, if you want to change this line, add an initial message, enable, disable this powered by Pabbly, add a footer link just like this. You can add in all the details right here. I don't want that, so I will skip the part. Last is user's first message. So let's suppose over here, as I have directly connected to this WhatsApp AI assistant, I didn't connect it through my website. What is the usual first message that your user sends towards your AI assistant? You have to enter that message right here. Okay, next is styling. Now what is styling? If you want to change the color, background picture, this emoji, everything, if you want to change anything, you can definitely do that from this section of styling. I don't want that, so I'll skip the part. AI assistant has been created, guys. Only few steps and it has been created. In order to activate this, toggle this button on and save the assistant from here. In order to upload this assistant on website, go to embedded. This is the script. Copy the script, paste it on your website code. The same assistant will be added on your website as well. So now, as this AI assistant has been created, let us ask one another question towards this AI assistant. That is, a real estate company receives 500 queries daily but has only 3 sales agents. How would Leadflow system handle this situation efficiently? So this is my question towards this AI assistant that I will send. And as soon as I have forwarded this question right over here, within few seconds, it is going to generate the reply and send it back to me. So I will wait over here for few seconds. So this is the reply. Great question. With 500 daily inquiries and only 3 agents, Leadflow performance turns volume into manageable, high-quality pipeline by automating the frontline engagement qualification and scheduling so humans can handle the highest value interactions. You can see over here, I have received a very detailed reply from this AI assistant. So this is how this assistant is going to resolve all the queries. And as the assistant is replying automatically, this means this AI assistant has now been created. Now, if you want that this AI assistant that you have created should be automatically enabled to all the users who are sending you the query on WhatsApp, in that case, go to settings and inbox settings section. After coming to inbox settings, you have to scroll down till the end and go towards this AI auto reply settings and enable this setting on from here. Select the contacts list to whom you want to auto enable this AI assistant to and select the AI assistant from the drop down and save this rule from here. To all the contacts, this AI assistant will be automatically enabled. Not just this, what if you want to assign this AI assistant to a single contact, not to all the contacts. In that case, what you should do is you have to go towards this inbox section right over here. After coming to inbox section over here, you have to go to this choose assistant, toggle this button on and select the assistant from here and save this rule. And as soon as you will do that, towards this chat, this assistant will be automatically enabled. As now we have created this assistant successfully. If you have any questions or doubts related to this assistant, you can comment down below and I will reply to you as soon as possible. With that, if you want to purchase any of our lifetime deals or yearly plans, you can use the code. This code is also added in the description section. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this WhatsApp automation, you can use Pabbly Chatflow for different WhatsApp use cases as well. If you want to know about the different pricing plans of Pabbly Chatflow, you can check out this link given over here on the screen. And if you want to email us or ask any queries, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below. I will reply to all the queries as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching.